So good morning students. So today I will discuss what is friction. So what is friction? Friction is nothing but a kind of resisting force that when two bodies having relative motion. One is like if you see on the board, this is body 1 and this surface, or you can say two surface. When two surface having contact motion, so it will resist that motion. Okay, so if you are applying the force, suppose this is body, this is surface, and you are applying the force, you are trying to pull that box in this direction, so friction will generate over here. If you see the free body diagram of the above problem, so here you can see clearly when you are applying a force, external force on the body, so this friction force will try to oppose this motion, try to resist that motion. Okay, and this direction of as it is resisting the motion, so direction is, of course, it will act in the opposite direction. Okay, so here is the friction force. As you applied the external force on any body, so it will try to oppose that motion when there is a relative motion. Okay, so this is the free body diagram. Or one more thing, we normally see two type of problems in the exams. One is when the body is capped on a flat surface, and another is when the body is capped on an inclined plane. So I will discuss it after this. So if you have the problem, I will explain the problem if I will get the time after this. So when you have a body, like a body have mass m is acted upon a surface, and one person is trying to pull that body in this direction. So you have to first make the FBD diagram of the given problem. So what will be the FBD diagram? We have to show the all external forces acted upon the problem. In the problem you can say. So as it's having mass m, so the weight will act in the downward direction, that will be mg. Okay, and F is applied in this direction, so section force will be acting in this direction. As box is capped on the surface, so it is having a reaction force also in this direction. Okay, surface is pushing the box is pushing the surface, so surface is giving a reaction force, that is R. As you can see the terminology, F is friction force, that is mu, and R. Basically this is the formula for the friction force. But in case if you have to calculate the external force, like you have the mass body of mass m, and you are applying the force and you need to move that force, so how you will calculate the what is the amount of the force you need to move that box. So to calculate this amount of force, you have to use that formula, that is F equal to, that is actually not a formula. This is again, if you remember the condition of equilibrium, so we are just trying to balance the vertical and horizontal forces. Okay, this is horizontal forces we are capturing, and this is vertical forces. So what this horizontal force gives, F equal to mu r, and reaction force will become the R equal to mg, because both are in the opposite direction. So this, in this way you can calculate the external force in the flat surface cases. Now come to the inclined surface cases. Inclined surface cases, if we talk about inclined surface cases conditions, we have this horizontal plane. Now our the body is capped on a plane that is having an angle of theta with a horizontal plane. Okay, so now the first step in all the problems, you have to do the first step, that is making FVD of the problem. So how you will make the FVD? As you can see the diagram, body is capped on the inclined surface, so mass will act downward, vertically downward, that is mg. Reaction force will act normal to the body, normal to the surface, that is R. Now to calculate the external forces, we need a component to balance these external forces. As you can see, external forces are applied in this direction, so friction force will applied in this direction, opposite in the force to the force. Okay, so what we have done here, we have just no resolve the component of this mg weight in both direction. One is in the vertical direction, one is in the direction of plane, as you can see. So this angle will be theta, as this angle is theta, so this will become mg cos theta. One component is there of weight mg cos theta, and one component of weight is mg sin theta in this direction. Okay, so now we can calculate the forces and whatever we want to calculate to So what will be the external forces if you have to calculate the external forces? So it will be this, like the external forces applied in this direction. So what are other forces that is trying to balance this external forces are mg sin theta, one component of this weight, and one more force is there, that is friction force. As you can see, forces are applied in this direction, so friction will applied in this direction. So these two forces, one component of weight and one is friction force, will balance the external force. So as you can see in this diagram, in this equation, F will be equal to mg sin theta plus friction force. Now as you know, friction force is mu into r. You will get the value of mu, that is depend on the roughness of or smoothness of the surface, that is always given in the question. It will be in the below, it will always below 1. So now if you have to calculate the reaction force, normal reaction that is acted on the body by the force will be equal to r equal to mg cos theta.